Hello everyone, today is 30 October 2020 on Friday. How's the weather outside? Cold. And which season is running now? Winter season. So student, today I am going to teach you subject GK and topic living or non-living things. So student, do you know what is the meaning of living or non-living things? So student, look here. T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E, there. A-R-E-R, M-A-N-Y, many. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-A-T, that. N-double-E-D, need. F-double-O-D, food. W-A-T-E-R, water. A-N-D, and. A-I-R, air, to live. L-I-V-E, live. And they, T-H-E-Y, they. A-R-E-R, C-A-L-L-E-D, cold. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. So there are many things that need food, water and air to live. They are called living things. And T-H-E-R-E, there. A-R-E-R, M-A-N-Y, many. T-H-I-N-G-S, things that do not. D-O-N-O-T, not. N-double-E-D, need. Food. W-A-T-E-R, water and air, to live. They are called non-living things. Okay. There are many things that do not need food, water and air to live. They are called non-living things. So student, look these pictures carefully. Which picture is this? Boy. And what is this? Water. So we are living things. We drink water, we eat food. Okay. So we are living things. And what is this? Plants. And what is this? Boy. Boy क्या कर रहा है? पानी डाल रहा है ना? So plants grow. Okay. So plants are living things. And next, what is this? Animal. Animal क्या करता है? Animals drink water, eat food. Animals are living things. Look, repeat again one more time. Okay. We are living things. And plants are living things. Plants grow, breathe. Okay. And animals are living things. Animals breathe, food, eat food, drink water. Okay. So animals are living things. So now next, our first exercise. Color only the living things. जो चीज living things है उसमें ही हमें fill up color करना है. Okay. Fill up the color. So what is this? Which picture is this? Tree. Tree, living things. And which picture is this? Ball. Ball, non-living things. Can ball breathe? Grow? No. So ball, non-living things. Now next, which picture is this? Snake. Can snake breathe? Yes or no? Yes. Can snake breathe and grow? So it is living things. And what is this? Tell me. Yes, dog. Which picture is this? Dog. Can dog grow? Yes, yes. Okay. And dog breathe? Yes. So dog, living things. And which picture is this? Bottle. Can bottle breathe? No. Can grow? No. So it is non-living things. And what is this? Fish. Can fish grow? Yes. Can fish breathe? Yes. Very good, sir. It is. Now next, which picture is this? Cloud. Can cloud breathe? No. Can cloud grow? No. So it is non-living things. And now next, which picture is this? Butterfly. Which picture is this? Butterfly. Can butterfly grow? Yes. Can butterfly breathe? Yes. So it is living things. Now next, which picture is this? Cake. Can cake breathe? Yes or no? No. Can cake grow? Yes or no? No. So it is non-living things. Now next, which picture is this? Bird. Bird can fly, eat food and grow. So it is living things. Now next, which picture is this? Kite. Which picture is this? Kite. Kite non-living or living? Non-living things. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? Boy. Boy can breathe? Yes. Boy can grow? Yes. So this is living things. So student, look this picture carefully and fill up color only living things. So which picture is this? Tree. Which picture is this? Tree. Tree, living things. So fill up color green. Okay, slowly. Which picture is this? Tree. So fill up the color. Okay, and don't go for out of line. Which picture is this? Tree. Trees are living things. Okay, trees are living things. And which picture is this? Tell me. Ball. Ball is non-living thing. So इसमें हमें कलर करना नहीं है. And which picture is this? Tell me. Yes, snake. Which picture is this? Snake. So snake can breathe and grow. So it is living things. So fill up color snake. Okay, and don't go for out of line. Fill up color only living things. Don't go for out of line. And now next, look here. Which picture is this? Dog. Can dog breathe? Yes. Can dog eat food? Yes. So it is living thing. So fill up color dog. Okay, don't go for out of line. Fill up color slowly. It is living things. Dog can eat food, grow, drink water. Okay, so it is living things. Now next, which picture is this? Bottle. Which picture is this? Bottle. Bottle can breathe? No. Bottle can grow? No. So it is non-living things. So don't color use. Okay. And which picture is this? Fish. Fish can eat food. Okay. Breathe. So grow. So it is living things. So fill up color fish. Okay, fish are living things. Fill up color slowly. Okay, and don't go for out of line. So it is living things. Now next, look here. Which picture is this? Cloud. It is non-living things. Okay, and which picture is this? Butterfly. Can butterfly grow? Yes. Butterfly breathe? Yes. So it is living things. Fill up color slowly. Okay, so fill up color the butterfly. It is living things. Butterfly, living things. Okay, now next, which picture is this? Cake. Which picture is this? Cake. Cake can breathe? No. Cake can breathe? No. Grow and breathe? No. So it is non-living things. Now next, which picture is this? Tell me. Yes, bird. Which picture is this? Bird. Bird can fly, eat food, okay, can grow. So it is living things. So fill up the color bird. Okay, which color is this? Yellow color. Okay, and what is this? Bird. Bird can fly, eat food, so it is living things. Now next, which picture is this? Kite. Kite living things or non-living things? Non-living things. Okay, so उसमें कलर हमें करना नहीं है. And which picture is this? Boy. Boy can grow, eat food. Okay, breathe. So it is, this is living things. He is living things. Okay. Fill up color slowly and don't go for out of line. Okay. So student, understand this exercise? Yes, very good. Color only the living things. हमें color only living things में करना है. Okay. So कौन कौन सी चीजें living things है? Which things is living things? Tree, snake, dog, fish, bird and boy. ये सब चीज living things है. Okay. And now next, which exercise? Tick correct. Okay. Only the non-living things. जो चीज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है, जो ब्रीथ, ईटिंग, नॉट ईटिंग फूड, उसमें हमें राइट करना है. ओके, सो लुक दिस पिक्चर्स केयरफुली. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? चेयर. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? चेयर. इट इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, बट व्हाई? they cannot eat food, breathe, grow. Okay, so it is non-living things. So here we take right. Okay, and which picture is this? Dog. It is living things. They can eat food, breathe, grow. Okay, so it is living things. So उसमें हमें टिक करना नहीं है. And what is this? Umbrella. Umbrella is non-living things. So here we tick right. Now next, which picture is this? Hen. Which picture is this? Hen. Hen can grow, eat food. So it is living thing. So उसमें हमें right करना नहीं है. Now next, which picture is this? Book. Which picture is this? Book. It is non-living things. But why? It cannot grow and not breathe. Okay, so it is non-living things. So here we tick right. Now next, which picture is this? Bag. Which picture is this? Bag. It is non-living things. But why? It cannot grow, breathe, not eat food. So it is non-living things. So here we tick right. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? Tell me. Elephant. Elephant is living things. Which picture is this? Elephant. And elephant, living things. It is grow, breathe, eat food, okay, drink water. So it is living things. Now next, which picture is this? Bucket. Which picture is this? Bucket. क्या bucket खाना खाती है? No. It cannot breathe, eat food, drink water. So it is non-living things. So it is non-living things. Here we tick right. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? Tell me. What is this? Plant. Okay. It is living things. Okay. Can breathe and grow. So it is living things. So here हमें right करना नहीं है. Repeat again one more time. Which picture is non-living things? Chair, non-living things. Okay. Umbrella, non-living things. Hand, living things है. Okay. And book, non-living things. And which picture is this? Bag. Bag, non-living things. Elephant, living things है. And bucket, non-living things. Okay. So student, understand this exercise? Yes, very good. And now next and last, विच एक्सरसाइज? पुट अ टिक राइट फॉर लिविंग थिंग्स, जो चीज लिविंग थिंग्स है उसमें हमें राइट करना है, एंड क्रॉस फॉर द नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, जो चीज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है उसमें हमें रॉन्ग करना है. ओके, सो लुक दिस पिक्चर केयरफुली एंड लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग. ओके, टिक राइट एंड रॉन्ग. सो विच पिक्चर इज दिस? फिश. Fish living things or non-living things? Tell me. Fish can breathe, eat food, water. So it is living things. So here we tick right. Okay. Fish living things. Now next, which picture is this? Tell me. Table. Which picture is this? Table. Table can eat food? No. It breathe? No. So here we write wrong, tick cross. Okay, which non-living things? Table. Okay, now next, what is this and which picture is this? Girl. Girl can eat food, breathe, grow. So this girl is, she is living things. So here we tick right. Now next, which picture is this? Car. कार कैन ब्रीथ? नो. कार कैन ग्रो? नो. कार बड़ी हो सकती है? नो. वो ब्रीथ करती है? नो. सो इट इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. सो हियर वी टिक क्रॉस. नाउ नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज दिस? क्लॉक. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? क्लॉक. इट इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, बट व्हाई? इट कैन नॉट ग्रो, ब्रीथ, सो इट इज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. सो हियर वी क्रॉस. Now next, which picture is this? Bird. Which picture is this? Bird. Bird can fly, eat food, grow. So it is living things. So here we tick right. Now next, which picture is this? Lizard. Lizard can eat food, grow and breathe. So it is living things. Which things? Living things. So here we tick right. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? Tree. Which picture is this? Tree. Tree can grow, breathe. So it is living things. So here we tick right. Okay. And now next, which picture is this? Teddy bear. Which picture is this? Teddy bear. It is non-living things. Toy है ये. क्या है? Toy. So it cannot grow, breathe, eat food. Okay, so it is non-living thing. So here we cross. Okay, repeat again one more time. Look this picture carefully. Living or non-living things? Fish, living things. Fish, living things. Now next, which picture is this? Table. Table, non-living things. Now next, which picture is this? Girl. Girl, living things. So here we tick right. Now next, which picture is this? Car. It cannot grow and breathe. So it is non-living things. So here we tick cross. Wrong. Now next, which picture is this? Clock. It is non-living things. So here we tick cross. Now next, which picture is this? Bird. It is living things. So here we tick right. Now next, which picture is this? Lizard. Lizard can eat food. Okay, so here we tick right, but why? It is living things. Now next, which picture is this? Tree. Tree can grow, breathe. Okay, so it is living things. So here we tick right. Now next, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Teddy bear. Teddy bear, non-living things. So here we tick cross. Wrong. Okay, so student, look here. This exercise write in your book number 3 and page number 49, 51 and 52. Okay.